Yo, what up, guys? So
it looks like we're in the bathroom.
Why don't we have a shirt on? Why don't we have a shirt on?
Because it just rained.
So anyways, y'all saw our new villa. Day 7, I believe.
We checked in this morning, actually.
Did check in this morning.
We were just walking.
Yeah. Actually, yeah. So we met these girls from Sweden. You know, from yesterday. We met them yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Yesterday. They actually live on this like little street, so we were gonna meet them this morning. It's more convenient. I don't know why I'm holding them. Put this down. Want to tell them a little bit about today, man? Today was going crazy, man.
Yeah, yesterday was cool.
Oh, what dude. You gotta tell them about the dog.
Oh gosh. So last night, we went out and just had a couple beers, and then Chris was working, and then we dropped the girls off after it was raining again. And then me and Chris and John were just like talking like in the main road back here, and this dog just like jumps on our scooters, and I don't know if we have any vlog clips of it.
We have Snapchat. Cue it.
All right.
Yeah. Let's see how long he can last. See how long he can last. Oh my god, look at this champ. It's been over like 2 miles. This dog, he doesn't give up. He keeps following us. Oh my guys, this dog followed us for at least 2 miles. This guy is crazy. So we stopped here to give him some food because he deserves it, and we're gonna give him some water. Good job, buddy. You wait here, stay.
Yeah, so that was the dog, and we never named him, but
We both jumped in the pool this morning to wake up. And I looked over at Ash. I'm like, dude, Jack, no way.
I thought he was joking.
The
too.
freaking
I was like,
dog.
"There's no way."
The
I was like,
freaking dog was at our door.
What should we name him? What do we name him? Oh my god.
He was there this morning, and then like, I think later on he was gone, and then he came back, and so we were just like, I guess we'll take him.
Yeah, we took
and,
him.
I'll show you this really funny clip, really funny Snapchat.
Look at this. I hope that. Guys, we're doing it! We're adopting a dog! We're doing it! Look!
But anyways, long story short, we actually brought the dog back to where he got out on our bikes. And,
from last night, yeah.
And he actually hopped off the bike because he saw his friend. Today, we plan to go to the volcano. What am I saying there? Can you talk?
Waterfalls.
Waterfalls. Yeah.
So we planned on doing waterfalls, and the girls wanted to get their own motorbike, so they decided to rent a motorbike.
One of them were, confident in riding a bike, which is good, and she was actually pretty good.
Yeah, she was good, really good.
Yeah, along the way we were just like maybe 15 minutes out, and we were driving. I was leading the way because I had navigation. I saw this bump. When you see bumps in the road and you're on the motorbike, you gotta slow down, or else you're gonna take off. And once you get airborne, there's like you lose control because
Chris saw the bump, and he was the first. And so he like got over it just enough, so he just like did a little bit of this. And so I saw it, I hit it harder than he did, so I like gave him a little bump. But
barely a tap.
Yeah, just barely a tap. But then out of nowhere, I just like looked back to warn Velma. And
Velma she was driving by herself, so...
I look back, I don't see anything, and look right, and like she just goes flying.
She didn't see that little bump, man.
It was bad.
It was her first time, so I don't blame her, because if it was my first time, I would be still going the same speed. But she took airborne and just nailed Jack.
Dude, they're actually trying to fix it. So my axle is actually busted right now, and they're trying to pull it apart. Crazy. Like right here, the axle's broken, so it's pushed all the way in. So they took everything out.
Can we get somewhere?
Luckily, no one had broken bones or no one
like
was like
scrapes and
seriously
bruises.
injured.
Yeah.
Just scrapes and bruises.
But anyways, that wasn't the only story today. After that, we decided to go to the waterfall, and it turned out amazing. Well, we're here. We faced a lot of adversity today, but you know, we just power on. We've got a good group of girls. Girls, say what's up.
What's up?
Dang.
Damn. Oh,
That ain't nothing. You alright?
I can handle it.
It's worth it.
Yeah.
It's definitely worth it. So check out this view.
Wasted my time a little too long. Made it in time a little more strong. Wasted my time a little too long. A little too long.
Wow. Yo, it's Chris with the vlog. Uploading the vlog. We made it to the volcano. That's it. We made it to the volcano. We made it to the waterfall, baby.
Wasted my time a little too long. Made it in time a little more strong.
I'm underneath the waterfall! Holy shit! No freaking way! Unreal! This is unreal right now! We talking too long?
Oh dang, 17 minutes.
17 minutes? We talked for freaking 7. Oh my god.
We're here at our villa. I think we're gonna meet up with the girls. They're done showering. We're just gonna relax for the night.
Yeah, we're gonna go eat,
And
edit.
then,
Yeah, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Snapchat. We post some really cool shit.
alright.
All right,
We'll get
guys.
back to y'all
Good
tomorrow.
night. See you tomorrow. What's up, guys, and good morning. Back in another day, another great day. As you can see, nice pool. It was sunny, but it's cloudy now. But welcome to day 8. Is it day 8? Day 8. We got some good stuff planned for you today. We're gonna meet. Jack and I are actually gonna go to the waterfalls, the ones that are close by, and yeah, we're gonna get some cool content and come back here, probably chill the rest of the day and edit, catch up on a lot of things, and just relax in general because today is Saturday and probably gonna party tonight. So yeah, see you at the waterfall. Run it! Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell you, this waterfall is called Lampo. Is that how you say it? It's Kanto Lampo. It's kind of far out. I don't know what it's like, so I just want to let you know the waterfall name, you know, just in case y'all decide to explore waterfalls.
So it's not a bad walk down. I mean, there's a couple steps. It's going to be 50 meters. Hope you enjoyed that little clip right there. But me and Chris are about to get all of our equipment ready, our drone, GoPro, and we'll see how it goes.
So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I cannot give you everything, you know I wish I could. I'm so high at the moment, I'm so caught up in this. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke. We still got love to give. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, broke high school kid.
We all think pretty nice, right? Yeah, we also snapped a couple photos. If y'all want to see all the photos we took during this trip, make sure you follow our Instagram. I'll leave it here. Boop. Boop. Like that. Alright, anyways. And now, Jack cut his leg though on some rocks. Oh, look at that. It's muddy. So the plan is to go north Right now we're in. Hey, what city are we in? What city are we in?
Waterfall.
What city?
Lampo.
Lampo?
Yes, waterfall.
No, it's Ganyar.
Kanyo?
Right? The city?
Yeah.
Ganyar. Yeah. So we're in Ganyar. Then we're gonna go up to. We're gonna go north to. Man, I don't know the waterfall name. But there's another waterfall 30 minutes from us, so I can see it on my Google map. Alright, just got to our second waterfall. 10,000 the entry fee. Just got 2 for Jack and I. I saw this girl outside and I asked her if it was good. She didn't really give me a good answer. I'm a little bit disappointed, but we'll see. We'll make it good, man.
Because I'm 18 and I still live with my parents.
Slide down this thing. What the hell? Dude, it's like look at a spider.
So we made it here. We had a little trek through the cable here. Right there. But overall it's actually turned out really cool. This is gonna be a really good picture. They got some sunlight coming through it. It's a little peak right there. Right there. So some pictures right there. I'll probably be right there, and we'll see. We'll get some content, and we'll show you how it is.
Oh, yo, oh, oh. Just me. Then I like go. I never fell in love. If I save those feelings for you, so let's do all the stupid shit that God keys do. It's me and you. Just me and you. Just me and you. Hey, yo.
What's up, y'all? It's raining again. You know, same time every day, 5 o'clock, and then again at night around 10 or 11. Then we're about to go to a cafe and edit some pictures on for our Instagram. So if you don't already follow us, follow us now. Follow us right here. It's the last day in Ubud, so we're gonna hang out with the girls for a little bit. They're going to Gili Islands, we're going up north, and hopefully we see them again, maybe not, but that's it. Peace!